What's up everyone, CJ here, I hope you're all doing well. So I sat here in my rehearsal space in my home studio and I thought of a quick drum lesson for the beginners out there. I got a flashback to when I started playing drums and I remember how awesome it felt to learn how to play 16th notes. So let's say you've gotten the basic coordination down for a 4/4 groove with an 8th note subdivision, like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... That's a great start for a drummer. Now you want to take it to the next step and go into 16th notes. And I'm not going to go too much into music theory in this video, but as you might know or not know, a quarter note is worth 4 hits or 4 notes within one measure. 8th notes are worth 8 notes within one measure, so when you play an 8th note subdivision, you count them as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? Now 16th notes are worth 16 hits or 16th notes within one measure. So that means for every quarter note there are 4 hits. And the easiest way to start practicing this on the drums is to play with both hands. So when you play 16th notes, you're going to count them out as 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. And of course you guys, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to apply this to right-handed drummers, but if you're a lefty, just apply it the other way around. Just reverse all the stickings that I'm writing out. You can start by practicing the 16th notes just on the hi-hat, like this. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. So do that for a couple of minutes just to get the basic coordination down. You can definitely use the bass drum as a guiding system and play on every quarter note. So it's... That's going to help out. Now, when you're going to turn it into a groove, you got to move your right hand to the snare drum on every beat 2 and beat 4. So it's going to sound like this. Practice that sticking for a while until it feels comfortable. Now, of course, as the last step, we're going to add the bass drum on beat 1 and 3. So it's going to sound like this. A good way to practice this when you're a beginner is to play an 8th note subdivision first for 2 measures, and then 2 measures of 16th notes. I'll play it for a couple of bars so you get the idea. Awesome! Now you know how to play a 16th note groove on the drum set. Before we end this lesson, I'm also going to show you how to play a 16th note groove with one hand on the hi-hat instead of 2. This way you won't get that skip in the hi-hat when you play 2 and 4, as in with 2 hands, you're always going to skip 1 hit on the hi-hat. Let me show you at a slow tempo. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Now you can alternate by practicing 16th notes with 2 hands and then with 1 hand, like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Alright you guys, that's it for this quick lesson about the 16th note groove. Make sure you practice with a metronome at a really slow tempo at first and then gradually increase the speed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see more of on this channel. I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.